Witness a moment frozen in time. George Romney's John Flaxman. Modeling the bust of William Hayley captures the dynamic energy of a creative collaboration. Here, we see the renowned sculptor John Flaxman at work, shaping the likeness of the poet William Hayley. Thomas Alphonso Hayley, William's son, watches intently as his father's features take form. Beyond being a simple portrait, this painting offers a glimpse into the artistic world of the 18th century. It showcases the camaraderie between artists, the meticulous process of sculpting, and the importance of patronage. Interestingly, Romney has included a self-portrait, subtly hiding behind his cloak. This self-representation adds another layer of complexity to the artwork. This masterpiece is more than just a beautiful painting. It's a historical document, a testament to friendship, and a celebration of the creative process.